How to fix Quicken error OL297A. For quick solutions. Solution 1. Update Internet security settings. Step 1. Press Windows plus R keys at the same time together to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Type in Control Panel in the box and press OK. Step 3. Go to Network and Internet and then select Internet options. Step 4. Click on the Advanced tab and scroll down to the Security section. Step 5. Check the Use TLS 1.2, click on Apply, and then press OK. Solution 2. Check your device date and time. Step 1. Click on the date and time at the bottom right-hand side of your device and check if it is correct. If not, follow the following steps. Step 2. Press Windows plus R keys at the same time to open the Run dialog box and enter Control Panel. Step 3. Click on Clock and Region and then select Date and Time. Step 4. Next, click Change Date and Time, then change the time and date according to your time zone and click on OK. Step 5. Sometimes the time zone may be incorrect, so you should also make sure to set it to the correct time zone. Step 6. Once you're done, restart your computer. Step 7. When your computer is back online, check and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Reconfigure Firewall. Step 1. Verify that your Quicken program qw.exe has full and unrestricted access to the Internet. Step 2. To determine if your firewall is preventing Quicken from accessing the Internet, launch Quicken. Step 3. Then go to the Help menu and select Quicken Support website. Step 4. If you do not see the Quicken.com website, the firewall is blocking Quicken from accessing the Internet. Step 5. To configure your firewall software, you may need an antivirus protection software. Solution 4. Make sure that the setting is set to accept cookies. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and navigate to Control Panel from the search. Step 2. Select Network and Internet and then choose Internet options. Step 3. Select the Privacy tab and click on the Advanced button. Step 4. Check the Override Automatic Cookie Handling option if available. Step 5. Confirm that third-party and first-party cookies are both set to accept. Step 6. Press OK, then Apply, and OK again. Step 7. Once done, close the window and see if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 or +44 800 0548150.